Modding Blade of Darkness and ran into a BOV file the game engine uses. This is a 3D object resource from a cult classic action game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and work with these game object data files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for BOV problems. See below for my top choice. BOV files are 3D object data files used by the game Severance Blade of Darkness, developed by Rebel Axe Studios. They contain mesh geometry, vertex data, texture mapping coordinates, and object properties used by the game engine to render interactive objects, weapons items, and environmental elements within the game world. BOV object files use a proprietary binary format, storing vertex position arrays, face index lists, UV texture coordinates, normal vectors, and object bounding volume data. The format may include material references, animation bone assignments, and collision mesh definitions specific to the Blade of Darkness game engine. The direct link for opening BOV files is established with Blade of Darkness from Rebel Axe Studios. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows cannot interpret animation, shader, or resource data, so proper handling demands dedicated utilities. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the BOV file and hit Open With. Test Blade of Darkness first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If the BOV file won't open, don't panic. Given the proprietary nature of this BOV file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, using Blade modding tools. Download community modding tools for Blade of Darkness from fan sites and modding forums. Tools like the Blade Object Viewer or BOD modding utilities can parse and display BOV file contents showing mesh geometry and texture mapping in a 3D preview window for object inspection and modification. Next, hex editor inspection. Open the BOV file in HXD or any hex editor to examine the binary structure, header signature, and data layout. Identify vertex count, face count, and data offset patterns that reveal the mesh structure. Cross-reference with Blade of Darkness. Modding documentation to understand the specific byte-level format of object data entries. Finally, importing to 3D software. Use community conversion scripts typically written in Python to convert BOV mesh data into standard 3D formats, like OBJ or FBX. Import the converted models into Blender for visualization editing and re-export. Check Blade of Darkness, modding communities on Discord and GitHub for the latest conversion tool releases. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.